queen from the sea. I said, don't mind, but what do you mean? I am the one who dance on the floor in the round. That's what happens when you don't ever play it anymore, man, I'm telling you. I can't say for sure, but I think I've been way more professional than that before. That's okay. But, where was I? No, this is not up, this is down, this is down.
I say David, you say cook. David! Cut! David! Cut! I say David, you say cook. David! Cut! David! Cut!
When the hell did Flavor Flav become my bass player? What the hell is that? I've got a hype man now and I didn't even know. That's rad. Yeah, boy, yeah! So anyway, I'm gonna get this speech out come hell or high water. It's been a crazy year, and I owe it to everybody in this room and everybody that's not in this room that called and voted, and thank you. Yeah, I don't know. I got a platinum record for Christ's sake. That's ridiculous. And speaking of platinum record, there's a single from that record that we're gonna play right now, and I need you guys to help us out. Is that cool? All right. The song's called Light On.